How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. Then tap on it and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. So here you can see the option of archive over here. So tap on archive, and as you tap on archive, it will give you different options over here. So the first one is stories archive. Next we have post archive and live archive. Now since we want to delete all the archived stories on Instagram, what you have to simply do is tap on the stories each individually, because we don't have the option of selecting all at once. So just have a tap on the story that you want to delete and then tap on the more option at the bottom of the screen and then tap on delete, then tap on delete again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.